Hey, John here again. So, back with the stinking truck. So I took this to get inspected, right? Figured, yeah, what could go wrong? Everything's, you know, I did this, I did that, 100,000 things. Did not expect a light bulb to be the problem. Why it failed inspection. And where is it? This fella here. The reason it's got red paint on it is because this quarter panel got biffed and it was repaired. But the fellow who did it, Steve, he didn't repair it correct. He didn't replace this. This needed to be replaced, and he just kind of had it jerry-rigged, which is fine. I don't really care about that. But so the bulb went. I thought the bulb went, but it was actually a broken wire on here. So I'm like, whatever. Let me go to my local parts store and get this fella. How much could it be, right? $42 for this guy. It's in the cab actually, and it turns out the light needed to be replaced. This booker's $100. $100 for this guy, but the broken tab here and kind of a half broke tab there. I decided, yeah, let me get that light. I don't care about the $100 for the light, but $42 for this. Oh, this is a different one. This is what I was getting at. So I was repairing this. I was going to repair this. I bought this socket, which looks to be the same. And as I'm looking around, this connection here was barely hanging on. It was split, and the actual bulb didn't work. This is the brake, and so just a little tug test, broke right off. So I don't want to spend another $42, so I figured let me get the camera out, and I should have done this earlier on to repair these. See if I can repair these without spending $42. Yeah? So here's my plan. So instead of buying another socket for $1 million, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try this. I'm going to try to strip as much as I can off of that little fella that's left, like a millimeter, and then take something like this. You see there's a barrel inside there, a metal barrel, so I'll get that plastic off of there, and then I'll send the barrel over what's left, right? And then I'll heat my soldering gun up, try to throw some solder in there, and see if that, because it's not like you can go there, you know, all flame and stuff, melt everything. This is plastic, obviously. So hopefully put that barrel over there and heat the end of the barrel up, and hopefully the solder will melt on that, and then I'll have something extended to, I don't want to pay $42. Another $42 for this thing. This thing looks like it costs 15 cents. Yeah. Alright, so I guess the first order of business is let's see if we can get any of this wire exposed without hurting anything. Again, this is probably not going to work out. So, alright, so I think that's enough to get connectivity. Right, so we got a little tit there. So now my next move is to take this fella here and get that barrel out of there, right? There we go. Like so. Oh yeah, can I see anything? Right? Set it in there. Fill that booger up with a little bit of solder. Alright, so I got this sucker cranked up to 450 degrees. She's heating up, but my plan is this. So just touch the iron on here, let it heat up, right, and then use this rosin core. Just a typical rosin core. Fill that booger up with some solder. Hopefully that holds. Alright, so we're just gonna heat this sucker up. Oop, not going over full. just dumped it in. That might have been too much. Plastic is cool to touch. Very cool to touch. The metal's still hot. So let me time out, and then the next move is putting this wire. We'll have to heat that solder up again. Putting this wire in, right? Let that cool, and that should be that. Guess we're just gonna have to go in from here. Oh, it's puking out. It's puking out. I probably should turn this iron down. It's a little bit too hot. Let's let that cool. That's pretty solid. Ain't coming out of there. Oh, I put this piece of shrink wrap on there because we're gonna sink that over that into there when we're done. Actually, that's pretty good. Yeah, it ain't coming out. Let's put a bulb in there, see if it works. So we gotta melt this stuff here. Heat lamp. I guess I gotta see if that works again, but so this is repaired. This bolt, no, that's not the one. Where the hell was it? I gotta mend this guy. I gotta put this fella in place, the backup light, which clearly is the same fella. 42 bucks. Have you heard that yet? 42 bucks for this thing. Holy bananas, man. What a waste of money. So, I don't know where we were. So I repaired this. I bought this one for 42 bucks. Let me recap right quick what a $50 lesson this was. Bought this for $42. Bought a couple of bulbs that will fit everything. I had to repair this one because I didn't want to spend another $42, right? Repair came out good, yeah? So I didn't open the box yet. It's a $50 lesson. Look, it comes plug and play. This cost 100 bucks. I was like, Steve, why does it cost so much? 100 bucks for a piece of plastic? Well, this is why. I should have opened a box. Everything's plug and play. It's actually better quality. Everything's sealed. What an idiot, man. What a friggin' idiot. And comes with bulbs and everything. 100 bucks, comes with everything. That's a plastic covering there. What, did I scratch it already? Probably scratched it already. But anyways, what a lesson learned, huh? Alright, so there you have it. If you failed an inspection for a light bulb and you find out it's your socket or something related other than the light bulb, to take one of these apart and go through all this, you just saw what happened. It cost me a lot of money just when you can get this whole assembly, all the light bulbs included, the harnesses, everything's plug and play. Anyways, thanks for watching. Later.